Welcome to our roundup of the best oscillating tools of 2026, versatile, compact power tools built to handle cutting, sanding, scraping, trimming, grout removal, and detailed renovation work with precision and control. Whether you're updating your home, repairing fixtures, modifying furniture, installing flooring, or working on creative DIY builds, a dependable oscillating tool can dramatically improve both speed and accuracy. These tools are designed to work in tight spaces, corners, and flush edges where traditional saws or sanders struggle to reach. With rapid side-to-side oscillating motion, they allow for controlled cuts and smooth finishes without the aggressive kickback of larger tools. Modern oscillating tools now feature more efficient motors, improved vibration reduction systems, wider variable speed ranges, and quick-release blade change mechanisms. Many also come with universal accessory compatibility, making them adaptable for wood, metal, drywall, plastic, and more. Today, we've selected some of the best oscillating tools based on power, build quality, ease of use, versatility, and overall value. We'll break down what makes each one stand out and help you determine which model best fits your type of projects. Let's get started. Starting off with the Sericos cordless oscillating tool. This model is designed with portability and convenience in mind. Its cordless setup allows you to move freely around your workspace without being tied to an outlet. That makes it especially useful for quick fixes, overhead work, outdoor repairs, and small renovation tasks. The lightweight design reduces hand fatigue, while the compact body makes it easier to control during detail work. It's well suited for light cutting, corner sanding, removing caulk, trimming thin wood pieces, and other everyday maintenance tasks. For homeowners who want a simple, budget-friendly, and mobile solution for occasional use, this is a practical choice. Moving on to the Galax Pro Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, this model focuses on versatility and value. It typically includes a range of attachments, allowing you to switch between cutting, sanding, and scraping without needing additional purchases. The motor provides steady performance for common DIY tasks like trimming door jambs, cutting drywall openings, removing old grout, or smoothing rough surfaces. Its adjustable speed settings help improve control depending on the material you're working with. The ergonomic grip and balanced weight distribution make it comfortable during longer projects. For DIYers looking for an affordable but capable multi-tool kit, this option offers a solid balance between performance and convenience. Next is the WorkPro Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, built for more consistent and frequent home improvement work. This model stands out for its dependable motor performance and durable construction. It handles plunge cuts, flush trimming, detailed sanding, and material removal with good stability and precision. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, drywall, or thin metal, it maintains reliable cutting efficiency. The tool feels balanced in hand, giving users better control in tight spaces and detailed applications. For users who regularly tackle renovation projects or workshop builds, this is a dependable mid-range option that offers both performance and durability. Stepping into a more powerful category, the EnerTwist Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit delivers stronger motor output and a wider speed control range. This allows it to take on more demanding jobs such as flooring adjustments, cabinet modifications, subfloor trimming, or extended remodeling sessions. The enhanced speed customization improves accuracy and helps reduce material damage when working with delicate surfaces. Its solid build quality provides stability during heavy use, and the comfortable grip improves control when making precise cuts. For serious DIYers or users handling larger projects, this model offers added strength and flexibility. Taking the top spot for overall performance and versatility is the Avid Power Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This model combines strong cutting capability, smooth operation, and an extensive accessory package that supports a wide variety of applications. From plunge cutting into hardwood and trimming pipes to sanding detailed corners and scraping adhesives, it performs efficiently across multiple tasks. The quick-change accessory system minimizes downtime between blade swaps, improving workflow and productivity. Its ergonomic design reduces vibration and improves handling comfort during extended use. Built for reliability and consistent performance, it's a great all-around option for both advanced DIYers and semi-professional users who need one tool that can handle nearly everything. All of these oscillating tools are designed to serve different needs and skill levels. The Sericos cordless oscillating tool is ideal for light-duty tasks and portability. The Galax Pro kit offers strong value and versatility for general home projects. The Work Pro model provides dependable performance for frequent use. The EnerTwist kit delivers extra power and control for demanding renovation work. Meanwhile, the Avid Power Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit stands out as the most well-rounded choice, offering the best combination of strength, versatility, comfort, and long-term reliability. That wraps up our list of the best oscillating tools of 2026. From compact cordless models built for quick repairs to fully equipped multi-tool kits designed for serious renovation and remodeling work. Whether you're upgrading your toolbox, starting a major home improvement project, or simply looking for one versatile tool that can handle detailed cutting and sanding with precision, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which oscillating tool you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next project smoother, faster, and more precise with the right oscillating tool.